Alright guys, this thing is weird. I like looking at it. It kind of reminds me of, oh my gosh, it reminds me of, I guess that thing out of FL Studios. Their crazy little concoction. Gosh, you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we are looking at double six here. So, yeah, it's kind of a monster, and there's a lot going on with this. This thing's pretty impressive. Just barely looking at it, and probably not going to be able to fully represent this thing all the way, but we can check it out. We have some, some our generators up here. It looks like we can touch on them, and we have some parameters on each one here. Off, off, off. I'm trying to see what I'm seeing. Off and ons. Sometimes it's hard to see exactly what the heck is going on. Now, there's a lot of information on this thing. LFO 1, 2, and 3 down here in this box. We've got a few. We've got 3 envelopes here. Looking like some kind of a matrix here and a matrix there. Is it a matrix just for the LFO and a matrix for the ADSR over here, the envelopes? Okay, so gator. All right. All right, so I mean, you just got to kind of like read things and look at the flow, velocity. Oh gosh, this thing is a beast, dude. Easy preset over here. So what do? Just touch this thing? Easy preset, panner, random. Oh yeah, look at that, dude. You gotta love random stuff. Easy preset over there. Fine reset, waveform. Oh. And let's turn the master down a little slightly. Alright. Okay. Let's check out a look at this presets here that they got. There is a bunch of them, and they're not really laid out in any kind of organized fashion at all. But hey, that's kind of cool. I mean, sometimes you're just wanting to huck something out, right? I mean, it's got a lot of cool things going on for its age here, and it's definitely fun to play with. Gosh, what is that thing out of FL Studios called? It's the alien-looking VST of theirs, Okay. All right. I mean, this thing's got a lot in it, so, we already know it's going to be damn cool. Very weird. Very weird indeed. Keys, big, no filter. I mean, you can get some big sounds out of this. Let's go nail some pads out of here. Let's see a big one. Let's check it out. Let's see what they're I was just trying to nail some big old Richards out of there. Let's get one more. Clipper, Fun, too. They get some weird names, Super odd. I mean, and I love that the presets are just kind of really. I mean, they're all over the place there. Kind of showing you what's going on. I haven't seen anything crazy over here in this matrix. I've been kind of like looking down there. Here's a little bit of action in there. Let's mess around here. Look like these preset guys didn't really want to mess around down there too much. I like cool old sounds, Definitely a cool little throwback. It's got a lot going on for it in here, and I'm just trying to point you guys in the right direction, and go look this thing up and go put this in your arsenal. It's another 32-bit, so you're gonna have to find your 32 to 64-bit wrapper. I've been promoting the J-Bridge. It's been great for me. I think there is some free options for you, so you can go check that out. But as far as what I'm going to direct you to, it's J-Bridge. It was worth every little penny to me. So go check this thing out. It's 66. Again, you can find these at VST Warehouse and VST Plugins and free VSTs, or just type this in and you'll be able to find it pretty easily. So, all right, next up we're going to be checking out, we're got quite a few things left here. That's just the beginning of it, and then we're going to go dive in real deep into the rest of the paid plugins and stuff like that. And I guess we'll be going back up and starting almost with Captain plugins, which is, kind of a fun one for me. So, yeah, stay tuned. Check out the other videos because all this stuff has been talked about, and they are in a playlist called My VSTs. And stay tuned for that next video. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you know when the next video comes out. And I'll see you guys on the next video.